Hello! Today I'll show you how to collect a stool sample for bowel cancer screening in a simple, easy-to-follow way. First, make sure you have your stool collection kit ready, which should include a collection container, sampling stick, and protective packaging. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly before you start. To collect the sample, place a clean container or disposable paper in the toilet to catch the stool. Ensure the stool does not contact water or urine, as this could affect the test results. Open the collection tube and use the sampling stick to take a small amount of stool from the sample, about the size of a pea. After collecting the sample, place the sampling stick back into the collection tube and make sure it's tightly closed to prevent any leakage. Place the sealed tube into the protective packaging provided and label it with your details if instructed. This ensures the sample is ready for safe transport. Once done, follow the instructions to return the sample to the lab as soon as possible. If you have any questions, contact Better2Know. We are always here to help.